Implant dentistry isn't just about the surgery, and it isn't just about the restoration. It's about collaboration and communication to get the best possible outcome for your patient. If you're referring implant cases but not strategically planning them with your surgeon, you may be leaving growth on the table. Peak Performance Session 2 brings restorative dentists and their oral surgeon partners together to build better communication workflows, optimize treatment planning, increase case acceptance, and grow revenue together.
Would I recommend Peak Performance to my peers? Absolutely.
I would recommend for my colleagues to attend.
Very impactful for myself.
The better we can communicate and understand what the needs of each other are, the better we're going to be able to treat our patients.
I think it's something that's missed in dental school a lot, so you kind of have to seek the education on your own. And I mean, it's just as important as the clinical skills to have a successful practice.
It's created a 20-plus year relationship that has just been solid, and it's benefited both of us.
So to see what they're building and to have this team approach to treatment planning, to executing these implant treatment plans for these patients is really neat, and I think they're doing it right.
Absolutely would recommend Peak Performance to oral surgeons, restorative dentists, and their teams.
If you've been invited by your oral surgeon, this is your opportunity to grow together. Don't miss this chance to enhance your practice's future.